If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification.
Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in basic level where you are solving previous year Tripura University question on indefinite integrals. So in this lecture we will be solving question number 19, 20 and 21. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. If you come to question number 19, it is dx divided by x square plus 1 into x square plus 4. Again, this can be easily by parts. You can write it in this way. X square plus 1 by x square plus 4. I told you first you put minus, then let us see whether it is feasible or not. If you do LCM, what will happen? X square plus 4 minus x square minus 1. So x square would can cancel, and 4 minus 1 3. So 3 is coming in the numerator, but here on numerator is 1. So you put 1 by 3 here. That's it. So if you do LCM, you will get this one. So you can now integrate these two easily because it is of integration 1 by x square plus a square format. That is of tan inverse 1 by a tan inverse x by a format. So it will be 1 by 3 integration of x square plus a square is tan inverse a is here 1. So it is x minus 1 by 3. Again it is tan inverse x square plus a is here 2. So it will be 1 by a. So 1 by 2 will become in front and tan inverse x by a. So that is your answer. You can write it 1 by 6 tan inverse x by 2. 20, again that format by making it perfect square, 6x square plus 7x plus 2. So what you do, you take first 6 out, 1 by 6, make x square look single, dividing by 6. Okay, then you make it a perfect square, complete that square. So it will be x square plus 2 into x into, you write it 7 by 12, so it will be 7 by 6. So it will be 7 by 12 whole square plus 1 by 3 minus 7 by 12 whole square. So it will be 1 by 6 integration dx divided by x plus 7 by 12 whole square. So it will be of this format. Then means 1 by x dx divided by x plus 7 by 12 whole square minus 1 by 12 whole square. So e to the power x square minus 1 by x square minus a square format. That is of this format. Again 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a. So it will be 1 by 6 into 1 by 2a. What is a here? 1 by 12. This is your a. Log x 7 by 12 minus a divided by 7 by 12 plus 1 by 12. So if you simplify this 6 to 12, everything will be gone. So you will left it. If you take LCM of 12, so it will be 7 minus x 6. It will be 7 plus 1 8. So it will be log 12x plus 6 divided by 12x minus plus 8 plus c. So if you can take 2 common, then it is 6x plus 3, 6x plus 4. That is your answer. Next, if you come to question number 21, integration of sin x divided by sin x plus a. Now once you see this one thing it should come in your mind. If you can open this one, but unfortunately it is the denominator cannot be split. So somehow if I can shift this one to numerator, so what I can do x plus y is equal to t. So what will happen? X equal to t minus. So this t minus will come here and t will come here. So we can expand that in case of numerator. So dx will be equal to dt. So what we will do here, it will be sine. What will be x? It will be t minus a, and it will be sine t. Dx is dt. It will be sine a cos b minus cos a sin b divided by sin t dt. It will be cos a constant outside. Integration of 1 by sine means cosec t minus again sin a constant, that will dt. Sin a constant, integration of cos t by sin t will be cot t. Sorry, here sin t cancelled. So only cos a, so integration of 1 only. And here cos t by sin t, it is cot t, sin a outside. So it will be t cos a, and here it will be sin a, and integration of cot x. Integration of cot x is log sin x. Cot x is log sin x. So you apply this one. It will be log sin t. Finally, you apply the value of t here. Put it back. So it will be x plus a cos a minus sin a log sin x plus a. So that is your answer.
If you liked the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.